Wagwan people, I don't know, this is a girl Sunshine representing for JamBox876. I don't know, so we're not at the beach, you know, and we're not at the river today. But you don't know, JamBox876, we're out in the streets. We're in the streets, you don't know, says Carnival 2024. I don't know, JamBox876, we're out and about, yeah, because we have to give it to you, right? That is it.
I know, but then I bus come back for my hurt me. I'm glad when the bus come off for the road, come here, but I'm not driving up and down and we have to the outside, we have to show talkers and go on my lip and man and we do one still.
They want to take a picture of the brownie. People, you don't know, say, I'm here with.
Yeah, man, you know, Jiggity, aka Jigster, we're there. JamBox, you know, I got 876. We're there, Carnival loud. We like how they mix dancehall and soca now, the real way. So, you know, a problem. Out in the street, we are party.
Alright, so we meet up on the Great Swiss lead. One person I have to interview today. I can't believe I find him. Swiss, what's up?
No, I'm there, in the Carnival and I'm out.
Alright, what take you to Carnival now?
Why I come Carnival? I'm there to make for about 2 years now. So I come party. I leave it on the truck.
I like sis, I like how you go and all of these things. I'm all kind of nervous right now. But I wanted to tell, you know, Jamaica something positive, the youth them.
Get to youth and continue believe, continue work. Focus on positive. Any negative will come off here, leave it alone. When you put in work, you get fight. Good or bad, just continue do it. And big up.
In the same time, big up JamBox876.
JamBox876, big up. Maddest thing, Ersker.
And we're still here at Carnival 2024 and I'm here with...
I'm Nicholas, Skunk Lifestyle.
You don't know, so the greatest, greatest. Yes, I don't know, what took you to Carnival this year?
What's my take on Carnival this year? Nice vibes. It's my first Carnival road match with Exodus, so big up to the Exodus team. Nice vibe. I mean, I just love the festivities. It seems to get bigger and bigger every year.
Do you have anything you want to say to Jamaican youths, them, you know, something positive?
Yeah, you don't know, keep your head up, go on to the thing, you know, try to stay out of trouble as much as possible. And just aim for the stars, you know. JamBox876, you don't know, Skunk Lifestyle said that, man.
Alright, that is it, people. Alright, people, you don't know, we're still at Carnival 2024. And another one of the greatest, great.
Chris Gale, Universe Boss, you know, one and only himself, that is it. Hello, Jesus speech, you look good here. Now worry yourself, you can walk across my camera anytime. You remember say you're bougie, remember say you're rich, alright? And a JamBox876 this, that me I tell you, with their New Kingston live, Jamaica Carnival. She short, but she rich. Me tall, me rich too. So don't watch her face. Remember we're there, she want a little strike up lightning. Strike up lightning. She a work, and a chicken she a jerk.
Hey, you're so far, Miss me. I'm really sorry. And you know, I wanted to, you know, give something positive to the youth them out there before we go.
Yo, me youths them, get to youths. Remember, time of the master. Don't give up, alright? Everything is time. So do the right thing. Steal from the blow gun. And do the right thing, alright? Remember, your time so come. Do it. Stay positive.
People here done us some of their song. Top notch, the one only, the king for me, I don't know about nobody else.
Yes, you go and live life. Be positive in everything you do. Because anything you do now, it will come to the after and down tomorrow. So with your Carnival now, they are party. They have a party. Now go like that, don't get locked up. Nah, rah.
Yes, people, I don't know, so JamBox876, we're out. Carnival 2024, if you can look behind me, you see the march, I see the people people them are going to them nice costume and all like the costume them. The costumes are phenomenal. And the girls them stunting and out, them clean. The man themselves clean and nice. No green banana about here, no green lime. It's all about, you know, it's a good vibes, positive vibes. Carnival 2024. And on the JamBox876, we're representing. Yes, that is it. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Zandria.
You're so beautiful. What took you to Carnival this year?
Thank you. It was not planned. I planned the day before, which was yesterday. So this is my first time. I'm really enjoying it. Hopefully next year again.
All right, Mama. They say Carnival is all about sex and vibes. Is that true?
More about vibes and less about sex.
Let's go.
All right. People, and I'm here with
Jahari.
Hi, Jahari. You don't know, I want to know what took you to Carnival 2024.
Oh, my best friend took me to Carnival.
Oh, you took her to Carnival?
Yes, for the first time in Jamaica.
Where are you from?
Florida, South Florida.
All right, Florida, another place you don't know. All right. How is this so far, though?
It's great. I'm having a time. My shit done broke. I had to steal somebody's shirt.
What about you? You see anybody here so far that you know is strike your eyes?
No, the man them only a fuck.
How is the vibe so far, though?
The vibes are great. I love it. This is my first time in Carnival, Jamaica. Top tier.
Period. That is it. So we just walk and go on with the crowd, do the self, and I go on, and then watch her, hey! Jesus Spirit Carnival are going with itself, you know. I'm a the girl them are going with themselves, and the man them are going with themselves. Who? I would just go on. Miss Jumi from Dallas, Texas. What, Texas? Texas in the building. Yes, tell us something, you know. What took you to Carnival this year?
My friend, I've never been, but this year I came and I'm having a fantastic time.
Alright, all the man them are going.
What the man of Magwan? What does that mean?
Married.
Am I married? Yes, my husband is in Dallas. I left him. My sugar daddy, my husband is in Dallas. I left him out there and I came up here to buy X76.
Alright, that is it. Ready? Carnival once a year?
Once a year. You get to go on the road, play yourself, play your mass.
Yeah.
Dance in the street.
Yeah.
Like you own the road.
Yeah, that is it.
So I need some music now.
Alright, she said she'll wait for the music because you don't know, so she want to hear soca, no dance all really right now because she want to wind out her waist and take out everything out her body.
I just need some music.
You just need whether soca or dance all.
Whether soca or dance all.
Hey, you gonna dance to me?
I'm going to dance with you.
You're gonna dance with me?
Shelly?
How has the day been so far?
It's been good, it's hot, but it's a vibe. It's been good. I jumped, but I'm done now. Done.
It's great. It's very good. Very good.
Look at our chain in our chain, say the good girl them. Yes, JamBox876, we're out. Hi guys, and I'm here with
J-Vibe now.
J-Vibe, tell me a little about yourself.
I know, so I'm an independent artist and I'm a TikTok star as well.
Alright, what took you to Carnival today?
Basically my friends and family. I'm just there so I enjoy myself, you see? Yeah.
Alright, is there anything that you want to know, something positive that you want to tell the youths them out there?
Just believe in yourself and do your work. Don't take advice from people who don't have a motivation for themselves.
What type of artist are you?
Recording artist. What type of mean? Like, I'm a versatile artist, you see?
Drop something from real quick.
Yeah, no, and then I vibe right now, you see?
Alright, and I'm here with this beautiful, angelic female, you know. She's going in her costume and all these things. So I'm gonna let her introduce herself.
Hi guys, I'm Shauna.
Shauna, where are you from?
I live in New York, but I'm from Jamaica. Yeah.
What took you to Carnival this year?
I'm usually here every year. It's been 13 years. Yeah.
What is the vibe like so far?
It's amazing. The sun is hot. The people are amazing. The food was amazing. The music was amazing. We can't not come to Carnival in Jamaica.
What did you have today though?
For lunch? Chinese.
Oh yeah, going with yourself, man. All right, tell the persons them who weren't here, tell them what they have missed.
I'm not gonna tell them what they didn't miss. I'm gonna tell them to come back next year.
Tucci.
What's your name?
Tucci.
Tucci Cutie?
Tucci, like Gucci with a T.
Oh, Tucci like Uchi. Okay, what brought you to Jamaica to Carnival?
I love Carnival. I love Jamaica, and what's better than just come out?
Where are you from?
I'm from Nashville, Tennessee.
Tennessee in the building. Yeah, you don't know stuff from what they were telling us. JamBox876. We're going international. All right. How was the day so far?
More than I could have expected, honestly.
You enjoy yourself?
Absolutely. Everything was on point. I was like, damn, I gotta keep up.
All right. So that is it, guys. All right. You are
Mimi.
TK.
Heather. And Nikki.
All right. So the bad girl crew this. And what took you guys to Carnival?
Carnival is sweet. Carnival is life. Carnival is freedom, refreshing. Who can't miss Carnival?
All right. How was your day so far?
It's wonderful. We're having a great time.
And I'm here with
Camille.
Camille, where are you from?
I live in Atlanta.
How is it in Atlanta right now?
Cold.
And how is it in Jamaica right now?
Hot. Really hot. A good type of hot though. Very good.
What brought you to Carnival this year?
I've always wanted to do Carnival in Jamaica because my family is from Jamaica and I love dance hall.
So how is it for you from morning?
Really good. The people look beautiful. The food has been beautiful. I even got a mango. And mango is my favorite fruit. So I've been having a great time.
And how, the vibes, the guys, the woman, the wine, the rum, all of that?
Everything's beautiful. I've been seeing beautiful guys here, beautiful women. All the vibes have been good, very good vibes. Everybody's happy, everybody's dancing, everybody's having a good time.
And for the persons who missed it, what you have to say to them?
Don't miss it again. Come next year. Don't miss it again. Big up JamBox876. Of course, of course. Wait.
And I'm here with this beautiful
Schneidel.
Hi, where are you from?
St. Lucia, but I'm really from Ottawa. So I came from Ottawa, yeah.
What took you to Carnival this year?
I had a friend that was interested, so we all decided to come.
And how is it so far?
It's been really good. I've enjoyed my time in Jamaica.
You see any Jamaican man you like?
A few.
All right. So different from the vibes and all of that. The food, how was the food?
The food, it depends on where we're talking about, but it was a little hard to get food here down in Carnival, but overall the spots that we went to was really good. Yeah.
All right, I want you to big up JamBox876 and big up your country.
Big up St. Lucia and big up JamBox876.
All right, St. Lucia! And I'm here with this handsome gentleman. I want you to introduce yourself to the people.
My name is Shaquille Maxwell. You don't know, you can follow me on Instagram, Shaka_lifestyle. Don't know.
What brings you to Carnival today?
Well, say me had it boring, so I just did have to come to Carnival, come enjoy myself. Look at me. So I stay. Yeah, man, sweaty and pants dirty too, me up on ground and, I want from female and all of them stuff there. So yeah, me enjoy the day.
You get any female for the day? Like, one way you like, where you want, bring home what you want,
No, I'm a loyal person, I have my female, I don't want to jeopardize that, you see me? So yeah, I stay to myself and I stay to my female.
What you have to tell that your friend them will never get to come Carnival, so what you have to tell them that they missed?
Boy, anybody who watch this on a live sad, I swear to God, you never come next year, because this year you're missing you. Missing your fault. Sorry about my bad, but boy, just come next year, man. Just link out the people, man,
That is it.
Yes, my name is Chris from New York. It's my first time here at Carnival. So yeah, I'm here.
She's dedicated to the thing and we have to love and respect them people. We're big up Exodus and Exodus family.
Yes.
All right? We love and respect everybody. And you see this? This is love. She wear her backpack for the whole day.
I certainly did.
Me see her from 8 o'clock this morning. And what time now?
I have no idea.
About 6 o'clock and she did it. You're bad.
Thank you. Bless.
I big up yourself.
So,
Yeah.
what that? Box TV, JamBox TV,
JamBox.
Love or no?
Alright, what took you to Carnival today?
A family member. So they invited me. I flew down, got my costume, and I'm here.
Exodus are going with themselves, man. Give me a 360 real quick. Yeah.
To be honest with you guys, everybody vibe wonderfully. The energy was very positive. I did not see no fuss, no fight. This is what you call One Love Jamaica all day, every day.
And I'm here with
Adriana.
Where are you from?
Spanish Town.
What takes you to Carnival today?
My friend.
Yeah.
Experience my first time back. Jesus. Big up me, I'm a tight soul friend them. Then got liquor.
How much you had to drink for the day?
Look a free room of a Campari. Self and wind up your body, and that's what the good wall.
So if a man wine pan you consider that cheating?
No. Oh, I'm Carnival for wine and crying. Yes.
Tell us something, tell the people them something they missed today.
I'm not lie, you see, rum please. Rum is my lover. I'm not lie, the experience. My first time I come out and I'm coming back next year, but next year I go. Even I'm a costume, not for the. So I come out next year and look forward for it.
And this is the after effect of Carnival. This beautiful, beautiful angelic princess. She just stand up right here. So look, you can know so she enjoy her day. But I'm gonna ask her to introduce herself and tell us how was her day.
Hi, my name is Roxanne. Exodus was very good. Exodus Mascator. Next year again. I had so much fun.
You drink up liquor them too?
Yes, rum and pineapple juice.
I know how was the whole experience.
It was really good. I would jump with Exodus next year again. It was really good.
Alright, Exodus, big up on yourself now. Make sure the next year you get JamBox876 in them costume too. Yeah. So we can jump with the crew. Alright, mama. So the persons who missed it, what you have to say to them?
Make sure on save up and come next year. When I have to jump Jamaica Carnival, getting bigger and bigger every year.
Alright, that is it. You don't know, say most of the people have already gone down one place or one part right down there, so. But nevertheless, we buck up on 5 beautiful, beautiful ladies. I'm going to allow each one of them to just introduce themselves right now.
Junique. Malika.
I'm Tamara.
Ray.
Yannick.
Alright, how was Carnival from there for you?
Amazing. Wonderful.
At that time.
Vibes went turn up.
And how was the liquor and the food?
Great. Me drink no liquor.
Was liquor good, food alright?
It went good, it's alright.
And all the man them stay?
No comment.
I can't get beat up, girl.
Listen, now we're not taking a true story right over here saying, yeah. So tell the people them who miss all of this, what they miss.
They miss a very good time in Jamaica. You miss the vibes.
the beautiful people miss it.
Make sure you're here next year.
Big up JamBox876.
Full.
Hi, Nick.
Where are you from?
Mandeville.
Mandeville in the building. Yeah. Oh, how was the drive?
Fantastic. Well planned.
How was the you know, the vibes and all of that?
Fantastic as far as I'm concerned.
X-Team
spoke to me clearly. It's fantastic. Exodus has done a good job this year. We'll see what happens next year, but I'm excited for it, you know?
And how was the peace level?
You know, everything was good, as the tourists would say.
Yes, people at downstairs, a girl Sunshine representing for JamBox876.
JamBox876, member good no man. They are now, my lord. Funds liquid pocket, no can no jot. Spit fire like jag and dog, no stout. Gyal come cross, and she want run off it short. Alright, me say deadly now, my lord. Smithy dance, penny funds farm, my lord. Stop watch out the thing no talk about. Bag of old grains they have to inform, my mouth. JamBox876, tell them.